Creamy Cashew Chicken Curry. I found this recipe in All Recipes by Chef John. I really like Chef John's channel too, so I thought I would give this recipe a try, and oh my goodness was it good. The aroma of rich spices in this dish made my kitchen smell like I was in a fancy Indian restaurant. Just a fantastic experience start to finish. Well, enough talk, let's start cooking. Right here on Darlene's Table. Today I'm making cashew chicken curry. It's very good. Even if you say you don't like curry, this is very mild. But first, I still have that injury. And this was not just a cut. I actually sliced part of my finger and fingernail off. So I've got to protect this. And this was the bad boy that did it. Actually, I did it. That just helped. So I'm going to get this glove on. And then my husband insists on me wearing this glove. And right now, as bad as that was cut, I'm good with that. So we're going to start with 2 pounds of chicken thighs. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I'm going to cut this portion off, and that will be 1 piece. And then I'm going to divide this larger piece into 2. I'm going to do all of the thighs like that. I try to be very careful. I'm not a trained chef by any means. I'm just a home cook. Now, this is the last one. All right, so the chicken, each thigh I cut into pretty close to 3 even pieces. And this is the spice mix that I mixed up already. All the ingredients and amounts are in the recipe. So I'm only going to put about half of this, about half of it on the chicken. Save the other half. I'm going to mix this well, and I put the other half of the spice mixture aside to be used later in the recipe. All right, so we're going to let this marinate for 4 to 12 hours. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. I'm going to put it around the bowl. I'm going to actually put it around the chicken. Put it in the refrigerator, and we'll use it in the morning when we make the dish. Continuing with cashew chicken curry. This is the chicken that I marinated overnight, and now we're going to cook it and continue with the recipe. All right, I've added butter and a little bit of oil. We're going to brown this on each side 4 to 5 minutes in a single layer. In the meantime, while the chicken's browning, I've got 2 cups of water and 1 cup of cashews, dry roasted cashews. And I'm making cashew milk that will be used in the recipe. All right, all the chicken's done. I'm adding the onion, garlic, ginger, and tomato paste. Now the rest of the spice mix. I'm gonna cook this a little bit. It'll be real fragrant. Now the chicken broth. I'm going to add the chicken back and let this simmer for a few minutes to soak up all the spices from the wonderful sauce. It already looks so good. Next will be the cashew milk. This gives it such a good flavor. And this cashew milk actually thickens better than cream. Doesn't that look good? I'm adding the juice of 1 lime, cilantro, and my green onion. I served this over basmati rice, or you can just use regular long grain white rice with cilantro on top, lime wedges, and garlic naan. The chicken coated in a thick cashew cream sauce with all the spices of India has to offer. Well, there's no words to describe it. You just have to try this for yourself. Thank you, Chef John, for sharing this dish, and head on over to his channel. He's a fantastic teacher of techniques and cooking methods, and he is also extremely entertaining. Hey, it's a dinner and a show. So if you like this video, please share it with your family and friends. Click on the like button and hit the bell so you will be notified when we post another video. Anyway, we hope to see you again soon on Darlene's Table. Have a blessed day.